for automatic toilet paper and kitchen towel roll wrapper, with its exceptional flexibility and efficiency, can easily adapt to different specifications of toilet paper and kitchen towels. With just simple operational adjustments, it can comprehensively meet diverse product packaging needs, whether it's single-layer or double-layer packaging. This equipment can handle it with ease and excellence. For automatic toilet paper and kitchen towel bundling packing machine, offers high flexibility and operates at a speed of up to 10 ps min, significantly enhancing production efficiency and fully meeting the demands of large-scale production. If you are interested in these two pieces of equipment, please feel free to contact us immediately.